Hello students, in this video we will learn to insert a new cell in a table. To insert a new cell in a table, click inside the cell adjacent to which a new cell is to be inserted. Select the Contextual Layout tab. In the Rows and Columns group, click on the Table Insert Cell dialog box launcher. The Insert Cells dialog box appears. Now choose either Shift Cells Right or Shift Cells Down option as per the requirement. Here I am selecting Shift Cells Right. Now click on OK. We can also add a new cell using the shortcut menu. For this, right-click on the cell adjacent to which a new cell is to be inserted. Select the Insert option in the shortcut menu. Here select the Insert Cells option. The Insert Cells dialog box appears. Now select Shift Cells Right. After selecting, click on OK. In this way, we can insert a new cell in a table. Thank you.